The National Testing Agency, or commonly known as NTA, has completed the forenoon session of the first day of JEE Main 2019 Paper 1. The entrance examination, which is being held from January 9th to 12th, 2019, will be conducted in 2 shifts each day. The forenoon session of the first examination day saw a huge crowd of registered students waiting to attempt their shot at admissions into the NITs, IIITs and GFTIs. The entrance examination is being conducted completely in computer-based mode for the first time, which was also one of the reasons for the anxiousness of the candidates. Careers 360 team was present at the examination venue and interacted with the students to know the detailed analysis about the examination, such as the difficulty level, section-wise analysis, time constraint if any, and more.
May I know your name?
My name is Vasik.
Shrishti Singh,
Vanchika Bhatia,
Fancy.
Gauri Gupta.
What is the difficulty level of the JEE Main Paper 1?
It was actually, there was no fixed level. There were few questions which were easy and there were few which were tough to crack. But mostly this time they gave derivative questions rather than numericals.
Maths was little bit easy,
Okay.
but in my case physics was a bit harder. And I attempted chemistry perfectly. The difficulty level was actually quite moderate. It was neither too difficult or not too easy.
It was very moderate level, not too much easy and not too much difficult.
Difficult.
It was based on the previous year papers also.
How many questions were asked in total?
90.
90 questions.
90 questions.
There were 3 sections and 30 questions each.
Any particular section which was difficult, like physics, maths, or chemistry, or was it like a balanced paper that you had?
Maths was very time-taking. There were few difficult questions, but maths was time-taking. Chemistry was like fine. It
Okay.
was easy. And physics was moderate.
Chemistry was the easiest one and the physics was difficult. And maths was moderate level.
Maths, because I'm practicing a lot.
So maths was easy or difficult?
Maths was, in my case, it
Right.
was like easy.
Easy, okay.
And in physics,
Ah.
I find it harder to calculate some things and answer the things.
In chemistry, in organic is very high.
Okay.
And in physics, optics and in magnetism.
Haha.
And then in maths, 3D, vectors and 3D and matrices.
Were there any glitches in the paper, such as any wrong questions or anything like that?
No, I didn't find anything.
Not from the ones that I attempted.
No, I didn't find that.
No. All questions were, I think, correct.
How many questions did you actually attempt?
I attempted 50. I attempted 56 questions and left 31.
I attempted around 50 to 60% of the paper.
50 questions,
50
out of
questions,
90.
Okay.
Like the video? Subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay updated on other universities and entrance exams. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter and www.careers360.com.